Hi everyone, this is just regarding how to download the NET Prelims certificate. So the ASRB, updated this ASRB-NET certificate can be downloaded now. So I'll be telling you how to download this certificate from Digi Locker, a step-to-step explanation. So if you see, you can see this in the website of ASRB, where this results for combined CBT net and prelims examination is out. Maybe you cannot see the file here, but the certificate or the link that can be downloaded, that is already updated to DigiLocker. So now I'll be telling you step by step download procedure. Okay, so if you see here, if you have already account in the DigiLocker, well and good, you just log in and you can download it. Or if you don't have the account, I'll be telling you from the beginning. You just download this DigiLocker from the maybe Android. If you are using Android, it is from app store. If it is iOS store. Okay, so download the DigiLocker first and get it installed, then type your registered mobile number and make sure this registered mobile number is attached to your Aadhaar card. If your mobile number is not attached to your Aadhaar card, again there will be a problem. You cannot download it. You cannot even create the account. So the account number, or which means the phone number, must be linked to the Aadhaar card. So if you are not yet done, do it and wait for 1 or 2 days so that it will get linked to your Aadhaar card, and then you can come back and download it. Okay. So if you are already registered your account with your Aadhaar card, then you log in by using your mobile number. For example, if your mobile number is 736213, whatever it is, you just type your mobile number and click continue. This is step number 1. Step number 2, you will get a security code. So this is, since I have already created, this is my pin code, whatever this is for the security pin. So if you are doing it for the first time, you will get a login code, a 6-digit code. Maybe you will get it after entering only. You will be allowed to get entered. Since I already created the account, here it is asking security pin. I have created a security pin for me, so that it is showing the security pin. Now the third step is, once you have logged in, it will show your name, whether your name is there or here. Few of the things I blurred it by concerning the security reasons. So the third step, make sure your name will be there or not. Or if you have not yet created, here you can see an option called login into another account, or else you can also see login and create an account. So if you are new, follow the step by creating the account. If you are already logged in, then make sure that your name is right. And if you enter into the next step, where you can see your photo here. Okay, your photo, all those things will be here. On the down of the cursor bar, you can see home, you can see search button, you can see issued. If there is any certificate that you already downloaded, all those things will be here. And the another one is a menu. These are all a couple of things. The next step is, on the search bar, you can see here search bar, right? On the search bar, type ASRB, or else you can also type Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board, no problem. You just type ASRB or else Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board. It will show something like this. After typing, you can see a merit certificate under the Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board. You can see something like a merit certificate. Under down, there is a Delhi. Okay, so you click on that, on the merit certificate, or the down to this ASRB, Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board. It will open to another page. That is whether since you are already given the credentials for your Aadhaar card, the name will be displayed as per the Aadhaar card. You make sure that check your name and then type your roll number in the sense that is there in your hall ticket. Maybe 3360, something like that will be there, probably, which is a 8-digit code or maybe 10-digit code, if I am right. I think it is maybe 10-digit code. So you just type the 10-digit code on the certificate, or type the certificate section. You just give NET 2025, because we are downloading the certificate for the year of NET 2025. So if you are downloading for 2018, you make sure that your roll number on 2018 is as per the your admit card. So if whatever the certificate you want to download, you enter the roll number. If for example, if you are downloading 2018, enter the 2018 roll number and then type certificate 2018. Since we are downloading 2025, enter this roll number of your 2025 admit card. Then type NET 2025. Then yeah, you can see here NET 2018, NET 20. 2018 to 19, 21, 23, 24. From 2018 onwards, this was completely handled by this Digi Locker. You can download all the certificates from 2018. So here you type NET 2018. Maybe few of the people, especially people who are using iPhones, may facing the problem. I suggest you to please do the same by using any Android phone. You will easily get it downloaded. Then you can download it and upload to your drive or whatever you want to get printed. Okay. So maybe iPhone users are facing a little bit issue, maybe because of other related glitches. There is nothing to worry. You just try the same by downloading the same in some other phone, especially an Android phone, so that your certificate will get downloaded. Nothing to worry about it. Coming to this one, and once you get downloaded, you can see there is another section called issued. You make just click here, you can see, right? So once you type all this document, your name, make sure you check, then roll number, type the roll number, and the type of certificate you type just click net 2025. Then you can click here, get the document. In the section of get the document, once it was clicked, then you can go to issued. What are all the certificate issued? Because I have downloaded Aadhaar, driving license, PAN verification, all those things will be, I have downloaded it for my personal use earlier. So all the documents you can download here, but you can see the merit certificate. Here I have downloaded the previous merit certificates also. So you can see here on the down, so the 2025 certificate will be on the down. So top from whatever it is. So if you have downloaded things will be. If you are not yet downloaded, those things will not displayed here. I downloaded a few things. So if you see, this is a 2025 certificate that I have downloaded. You can see here. This is my picture. I mean, general I'm telling. So for your understanding, I'm telling. So you can see here. So make sure. Maybe people will be telling like, sir, I couldn't able to download my certificate because of two reasons. Make sure this certificate only issued if you are qualified the net. If you are not qualified, the certificate will not be issued. First thing. The second thing, maybe few of the people it is telling it is not showing or something like that, because maybe the names might not be matched, or maybe not, maybe typing or other related things, or maybe what is there in your Aadhaar card will not be there in this Digi Locker. Maybe the mismatches of the names or other related things may causes the issues. So make sure that your name in the Aadhaar card and name in the Digi Locker is same, or in the certificate what is given is same. If it is even a small letter changes may cause a problem. So for the people who are using iPhones, nothing to worry. Download the same in any Android mobile, type the credentials, you will get your certificate, nothing to worry about it. Then in easy step, and step 1, visit the Digi Locker. Step 2, log in or sign in by using your Aadhaar card so that you will get an OTP and get entry into. Then step 3, search in the search bar, you type ASRB. Then it will be directed to another page. There you can download the certificate. So I hope I have mentioned all the stepwise things. If there is any doubts or all those things, we are very happy to help you. Just comment in the comment box. We'll let you know if there is any problem in downloading the certificate. The next thing, we are very happy to share that in the 2025 batch where we trained. So these are all the list of students or the geeky students who have qualified in 2025 batch. This is alone from this is only from plant pathology, because we are running only one subject, because we are only specific to plant pathology. We are very happy to share that these are all the qualified list from plant pathology, only plant pathology. So you can see all the names, because we have already published this list of students who are qualified in net. So we have around 40 to 50 students who are qualified net plus ARS. So both qualified net. So these are all the students only qualified for net. So these are all the students who qualified for net plus ARS as well. And few of them we are very happy to share. Around 30 students, close to 30 students qualified net plus ARS. Around 15 plus students qualified net alone. We are very happy to share 2 of our members. They also qualified as assistant professor come research, junior research. I would say a junior scientist. And coming to whose credit it is, definitely I would say 99% credit goes to students only. 1% credit we will take. Why 1%? Because we are very happy to share that we were there on their journey in guiding in the different means possible. Then you can ask me, what about the people who are not qualified? We are already taking the measure to take care of them, and we are happening it. We are doing it. Coming to what is the geeky role in this? As I told you, 99% credit goes to students only. Always I would say students only. 1%. Why? Because we are there to monitor them and push time to forward. We helped them in the time management and monitor their progress over the time and giving the suggestions whatever it is necessary. And then what about the AS pattern or the other related things we trained for the people who wrote ARS mains this year? We conducted daily classes and assignments, weekly tests, daily assignments and corrections, monthly tests, standardized the pattern of writing, and then time management, how to manage the times, mark bound writing and the diagrams wherever it is necessary. All those things in that way we have trained the students. Then why waiting here? If you are still interested, you are welcome to take the subscription, and your subscription is a promise. We ensure every single penny is a moment, not the missed opportunity. One subject, one platform. Plant pathology means Geeky Researcher. Stay geeky and stay tuned. We are Team Geeky Researcher.